Did you know that nearly half of vegans fall short on daily calcium intake? Or that you don't need dairy for strong bones? Let's uncover some hidden, powerhouse vegan sources of calcium that you might not expect. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're talking about calcium, an essential mineral most people associate with dairy. Calcium is crucial for strong bones, healthy teeth, and even heart function, yet it's often believed that dairy is the only solid source. But let's challenge that idea. There are actually plenty of vegan foods rich in calcium, and many are easier to incorporate into your meals than you might think. So, let's dive into some of these lesser-known vegan sources of calcium and explore how plant-based eaters can meet their daily requirements without a drop of dairy. So, why is calcium intake a challenge for vegans? Well, while calcium is abundant in dairy, plant-based sources can be a bit trickier. First off, there's the misconception that plant-based calcium isn't as well absorbed. In reality, the bioavailability of calcium depends on the source and how our bodies process it. Secondly, plant-based eaters might not know about the variety of vegan options out there, or they might not be eating enough calcium-rich foods daily. Another misconception is that all vegans need supplements to meet their calcium needs. While some people may benefit from them, many plant foods contain plenty of calcium, if you know where to look. In fact, with a little knowledge and planning, anyone can achieve optimal calcium intake on a vegan diet. Now, let's dive into the good stuff. Here's a breakdown of powerful vegan calcium sources you can start adding to your meals today. Leafy greens, kale, collard greens, and bok choy are packed with calcium. A cup of cooked collard greens, for example, provides around 270 milligrams of calcium. The best part is, these greens are also high in vitamin K, which works with calcium for bone health. Nuts and seeds, almonds are a fantastic source, with about 75 milligrams of calcium per ounce. Tahini, made from sesame seeds, is another powerhouse. 2 tablespoons provide about 130 milligrams of calcium. These are easy to add to smoothies, salads, or as a spread. Fortified foods, many plant-based milks, such as almond, soy, and oat milk, are fortified with calcium. Some brands even offer up to 450 milligrams per cup, which can be more than a cup of dairy milk. Fortified orange juice is another option and can help boost your daily intake. Beans and lentils, beans, especially white beans, are excellent for calcium. A cup of cooked white beans offers about 160 milligrams. Chickpeas and lentils, while lower in calcium, still add up when incorporated regularly. Certain fruits, believe it or not, figs and oranges contain a good amount of calcium. 4 dried figs can provide about 60 milligrams, and a medium orange offers around 55 milligrams. These fruits make a great snack or addition to oatmeal and salads. Tofu and tempeh, many types of tofu are made with calcium sulfate, making them rich in calcium. Half a cup of tofu can provide around 250 milligrams, depending on the brand and processing. Tempeh, while lower, still provides a good source and is packed with protein. And now for the surprise ingredient, chia seeds. These tiny seeds pack a massive calcium punch. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain about 180 milligrams of calcium. The best part is, they're incredibly versatile. You can add chia seeds to smoothies, use them as an egg substitute in baking, or make a delicious chia pudding. Another hidden gem is seaweed, especially varieties like wakame, which is a great addition to soups and salads. Seaweed is loaded not only with calcium but also with iodine, an essential mineral often lacking in plant-based diets. These options show us that calcium doesn't just come from 1 or 2 foods but from a variety of plant-based sources that can fit into almost any meal. To sum up, there are so many amazing vegan options for getting your daily calcium. From leafy greens and nuts to fortified foods, legumes, and even some surprising sources like chia seeds and seaweed, vegans have plenty of options to support their bone health and overall wellness. So, if you're plant-based or simply looking to cut down on dairy, there are plenty of choices available to you. Calcium intake on a vegan diet is absolutely achievable with a little planning and variety in your meals. Now it's your turn. What's your go-to vegan calcium source? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with friends who might need a little calcium inspiration, and check out our other videos for more tips on healthy vegan living. See you next time.